Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Google AI Studio. First, when you're here in this page, you have your chat prompt and you can just type in whatever you want. You can also change the model. There's 3 versions for 2.5. The latest one is 2.5 Pro. There's actually 2 Flash also. And there's 2.0, 1.5, Gamma, and other. But right now, let's use the first and the latest version. Alright, so now let's try to type in a prompt. Okay, so I have my prompt here. Give me the latest updates regarding global warming. Let's try to run. As you can see, it's thinking. Okay, so it's generating a few informations. As you can see, it is very detailed. It kind of like breaks it down into multiple points. Okay, so you have all of this information in just 25 seconds, which is very nice. And what you can do, you can actually edit here, edit the text or whatever you want. And you can also not only edit, you can actually copy the text and delete it. Alright, so here, this is for stream, so you can talk to Gemini live. This is for generating pictures or videos. Yep, as you can see, this is for building with apps, and this is your history. So yeah. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Now you know how to use Google AI Studio, and you can generate your own text and image. If you have any other questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.